We're here in sunny Tasmania. I don't want to get ahead of myself in these videos. We still have one more Grampian National Park video to share with you. Our 5 favorite hikes. Trust me, the videos on Tasmania are going to be great. Plenty more to come. Enjoy. It's beautiful. The sun's just peeking over the mountains, the Grampians.
I can't believe that guy actually let me walk past him.
At number 5, Boronia Peak is a 2 to 3 hour hike with a rocky summit and beautiful views over Halls Gap.
Why is it so dark when there are no stars around me?
I think that's as high as I'm gonna get. Teach me how to rock climb.
At number 4, Mackenzie Falls. It's a short, medium grade walk with a lot of stairs. Be sure to show up early as this is a very popular spot. Normally in the dead of Australian summer you get no such things as waterfalls until the wet season rolls back in. When you come out to Mackenzie Falls, don't just stop at Mackenzie Falls, but carry on with the rest of the walk. It's a nice river walk all the way down to Fish Falls.
Today we decided to head out to the Northern Grampians. Number 3, Briggs Bluff, a hard grade track reopened after fire damage. More challenging than the first 2, and a favorite of ours because of the rock hopping, light scrambling, and the high elevation.
Well, that was a bit of a climb so far.
It's a beautiful morning, Saturday morning, February the 11th, 2017.
Perfect time for a cuppa.
And at number 2, the Pinnacle, the most famous peak in the park. There are 4 different ways to access the lookout depending on how much time you want to spend on the track. The views from the lookout are amazing and best captured at sunrise. We were even lucky enough to see a rainbow.
And number 1, our favorite track.
Today, what are you doing? Today, we are in the Northern Grampians. We are going to be doing one of the tracks leading out from the Mount Zero car park area or picnic area. It's Mount Stapleton, I believe is the name of it. It's actually a bit of a steep climb up.
Whew. I don't know if I can make it the rest of the way.
It's making fun of me because I don't like going uphill.
Let me down. Oh. Water. Oh. Help. Okay.
Cool, I'll just leave you there. You can see some of the fire damage up here. It's been 2 years, but you still see it a bit. It's pretty special up here though. So, Mr. Barista, what's on the menu? Ooh.
Threw that onto the campfire. And that is damper. Getting better at it.
Agnes is a little hyper now. Coffee pour.
Nice hot coffee.
Thanks to our Kathmandu thermos. Oh, hi there. Oh, hi there. Whee! Hi, Brad. You think I'm being annoying now, don't you?
No.
You give me a lot of coffee and a lot of exercise. Now my body's like, whoop! Sugar, 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 sugar. I just love it. So the area that we're in today in the Grampians is a really popular spot for people to go rock climbing. There's 2 different locations that we saw along the way for climbers access. We haven't seen any climbers today, but that might just be because the weather's not there for them. I'm sad that we have to go back down. I'm really loving it up here. But today we promised Sarge that he would get some extra attention